If you've ever dreamed about renovating your own New Zealand villa, this is your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Steeped in character and charm, lofty ceilings, Kauri floorboards, this generous 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa is ripe for renovation, but also move-in ready. There is plenty of space here for you to add your own value. 809 square metres of freehold land. Prepare to fall in love.
Broken bones are worth their weight in gold. They prove